In a Freightliner M2, if you have low air coming out of your dash, it's just not coming out very well, I'd say about half the time it's usually a clogged air filter in here. Now you've got 3 screws here, which are T25s. I've already got those out, so you get that out pretty easy. Now this one, you've got 6 T20s. A lot of times this one up here will just be broken because it's kind of hard to get to. Sometimes you can swivel it off, sometimes it doesn't work. So there's 6 total on this go around, and there is also a sensor right here which you want to pull out, or if you can't get that out right away, what you can do is loosen all these, pull this off slightly and reach up and in there and push it off, because if you break the sensor, then you're gonna need to replace that too. So 5 of these are already off, and again, that one up there is busted. So I'll take this thing off. There's a cover there, and it is dirty. I don't happen to have one on hand, but we will look and see which part number this is. Oh, it's so old it's not even on here. It's worn off. Well, I'll put the part number in the description. And then you just put a new one in there. Sometimes you get some junk in there, you want to get it out. This one's not too bad. Most of the filter caught most of it, but if you look how gross that is, that needs to be replaced. And once you replace it, fire it up and see if it's blowing air. If not, then you got some other stuff to tend to, but a lot of times that's just what it is. This thing will just be clogged.